So let's continue now, students, from where we left. So we left from here. So let's continue. So rest is after the number and all, we can go with URL. Okay. So I'm just pasting the previously copied content and specifying here URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. So here I can specify any URL, just URL of any website. So you can check the output is coming with the URL. With the URL, the output will come. Okay, it does not have any particular practical implementation, students, because it cannot be. It can be used only with the scripting. Because if you specify the URL and there is a button here, if you click on that button, this URL will be available for you. But as we don't have the programming concept, so this cannot be implemented. This cannot be implemented. Only you learn that. Okay. Next, we can specify time. We can specify time as well as, okay, or time already we have done before. So we can specify, let learn URL we learn, then let's specify search. Okay, so let's learn search. Suppose we are giving a search here. So whatever you want to search, you can specify here, students. Suppose you are searching for a computer. Okay, so there will be a search option. There will be a search option. See, in search you used to get this close button, na? This search in search like button in overnet, we used to get a close button like this, na? So after this there will be a button here. After you type the text what you are searching for, you can click on the button to search this. And if you don't want to search this content, then you can cross this so that you can type some new content in it. But as I told, we don't have the knowledge of scripting, so we cannot search it or we cannot use this particularly practically. Fine. So these are the control we can use in HTML 5.0. Then one more, let's see password. Fine, this is a very interesting one. Let's see password. So what will happen, in place of time you need to write password. So what will happen, value I'm not providing anything, just keeping it blank. See what is happening. So this button, now you can specify here. See whatever you specify, it won't be visible to anyone. That is what the password is, because any content we typed in password, it should not be visible to anyone, na? So that is what the password concept is. Fine, it might be like okay to everyone. We can specify the minimum length and maximum length for the password also. So minimum length I am specifying here, min length equal to, suppose I am giving 5. It means your password should not go more than that. Should not go more than that character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's accepting. It means it's not working here. It's not working. It means fine. So let's still type it. Spelling is okay, na? Yeah. Now just let's type double quote and check. Let's type double quote and check. It might work with that. No, it's not working. So it's not supporting still. So whatever supporting, let's see those only. No need to confuse with others. Fine. So password is providing the mask. It is keeping the mask word. It means it is whatever you are typing, it's not showing. It is putting a mask in front of the text box, so that whatever we are typing, it won't be visible to anyone. Fine. So all the content, all of we saw here. So nothing else is left. I think so. Week also we saw. This is spinner button we saw. Color also we saw. Fine. And one more submit button we can see here. Suppose you might have seen the time of specifying the time of submitting a content to the server. We used to write submit, and in that place we need not to write value and all, because automatic. So submit is recognized by the automatic, it will be recognized by the browser. See, the submit button is coming, but nothing will be submitted, students, as we have to click and we have to check, as I told you. So here, as this is the URL one, you might have known before, because URL you has to be typed here. So it is showing a comment here that you have to type the URL. Please enter the URL. Fine. So these are the controls we supposed to learn, and we learned. Hope all of you understood the concept of it. Anywhere, any doubt, you can ask me.